Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some creative and stylish ideas for decorating your living room walls. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance, a splash of color, or some personalized charm, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, the classic gallery wall. This is a fantastic way to display a collection of your favorite artworks, photographs, or even a mix of both. Start by choosing a variety of frames in different sizes and styles to create a dynamic look. Lay them out on the floor to find a composition you love, then transfer them to the wall. Pro tip: use paper templates and painter's tape to visualize the arrangement before you start hammering nails. If you prefer a more minimalist approach, consider a large statement art piece. One bold artwork can set the tone for the entire room. Choose a piece that reflects your personality and complements the color scheme of your living room. This can be a painting, a print, or even a tapestry. Remember, the key is to let the piece speak for itself without overwhelming the space. Floating shelves are another versatile option. They not only provide additional storage, but also allow you to showcase decorative items like vases, small sculptures, and plants. Mix and match different items to create a visually appealing display. Try to balance the heights, shapes, and colors of the objects to keep the arrangement cohesive and interesting. Mirrors are a great way to make a small living room feel larger and brighter. Opt for a statement mirror with an interesting frame, or create a mirror wall with a collection of smaller mirrors in different shapes and sizes. Reflective decor items can also add a touch of glamour and help bounce light around the room. Don't forget about the power of an accent wall. Painting one wall in a bold color or applying textured wallpaper can instantly transform your living room. Consider materials like wood paneling, exposed brick, or even a fabric wall covering for added warmth and texture. Finally, add some personal touches with DIY projects. Create custom wall art, framed quotes, or a photo collage. These elements not only make your space unique, but also reflect your personal style and memories. The living room, often regarded as the heart of a home, is a space where family and friends gather, stories are shared, and memories are created. As such, the decor of this central space is crucial in setting the tone and ambience of the entire home. One of the most impactful ways to enhance the living room's aesthetic is through thoughtful wall decor. From classic gallery walls to bold statement pieces, the options are endless, and each choice can significantly transform the look and feel of the room. The classic gallery wall. One of the most popular and versatile options for living room wall decor is the gallery wall. This approach involves arranging a collection of artworks, photographs, or a mix of both in a cohesive yet dynamic layout. The beauty of a gallery wall lies in its flexibility and the personal touch it can bring to a space. By selecting frames of various sizes and styles, and arranging them in a pattern that pleases the eye, homeowners can create a focal point that reflects their unique tastes and experiences. Before committing to the final arrangement, it is advisable to use paper templates and painter's tape to visualize the layout, ensuring a harmonious and balanced display. Bold statement art pieces. For those who prefer a more minimalist aesthetic, a single large statement art piece can make a profound impact. A bold artwork not only serves as the centerpiece of the room but also sets the tone for the entire decor scheme. Whether it's a vibrant painting, a serene print, or an intricate tapestry, the key is to choose a piece that resonates with the homeowner's personality and complements the existing color palette of the room. This approach allows the artwork to shine without overwhelming the space, creating a sophisticated and cohesive look. Floating shelves and decorative items. Floating shelves offer a practical and stylish solution for wall decor, combining storage with display. These shelves can hold an array of decorative items such as vases, small sculptures, plants, and books, providing an opportunity to showcase personal collections and add layers of texture and interest to the room. When arranging items on floating shelves, it's important to balance heights, shapes, and colors to create a cohesive and visually appealing composition. This method not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also introduces functional storage solutions into the living room. Mirrors and reflective decor. Mirrors are a versatile decor element that can significantly enhance the perception of space and light in a living room. By strategically placing a large statement mirror or a collection of smaller mirrors, homeowners can make a small room appear larger and brighter. Mirrors with interesting frames can also add an element of sophistication and elegance. Reflective decor items, such as metallic accents or glass vases, can further amplify light and add a touch of glamour to the space, creating a welcoming and airy atmosphere. Accent walls and textures. An accent wall is a powerful tool in interior design, capable of transforming the look and feel of a living room. By painting one wall in a bold color or applying textured wallpaper, homeowners can create a striking visual focal point. Materials such as wood paneling, exposed brick, or fabric wall coverings add depth and warmth, introducing an element of texture that enhances the overall decor scheme. An accent wall not only adds visual interest, but also defines the space, making it feel more intimate and inviting. Personal touches and DIY projects. Adding personal touches through DIY projects can make a living room truly unique and reflective of the homeowner's personality. Custom wall art, framed quotes, or photo collages add character and warmth, turning the living room into a space that tells a story. These personal elements not only enhance the decor but also create a sense of belonging and comfort, making the living room a true reflection of the people who live there. Incorporating greenery. Incorporating greenery through vertical gardens or wall-mounted planters brings a touch of nature indoors, enhancing the living room's ambience. Plants not only improve air quality, but also add color and life to the space. Consider using a variety of plants in different shapes and sizes to create a lush, vibrant look. Wall-mounted planters, hanging pots, or even a living wall installation can provide a refreshing and organic element to your decor. Displaying collections. Showcasing collections on the living room wall can add a personal and unique touch to the decor. Whether it's a collection of vintage plates, hats, musical instruments, or masks, arranging these items creatively on the wall can tell a story and highlight personal interests. Ensure the collection is displayed in a balanced and organized manner to avoid a cluttered appearance. Using tapestries and fabric art. Tapestries and fabric art are versatile decor options that can add warmth and texture to a living room. They come in various styles, from bohemian to modern, and can serve as a focal point or a backdrop for other decor elements. Additionally, tapestries are easy to change out, making them a flexible option for seasonal updates or when you want to refresh the room's look without a major overhaul. Highlighting with lighting. Strategic use of lighting can dramatically affect how wall decor is perceived. Consider installing sconces, picture lights, or LED strip lighting to highlight specific pieces of art or architectural details. Proper lighting can enhance the colors and textures of your decor, creating a more inviting and dynamic space. Additionally, the use of dimmable lights allows for adjusting the ambience according to different times of the day or occasions. Creating a chalkboard or whiteboard wall. A chalkboard or whiteboard wall adds a playful and functional element to the living room. It's an excellent option for families, providing a space for notes, drawings, or even an ever-changing piece of art. This interactive wall can be both practical and decorative, fostering creativity and communication within the household. Adding architectural elements. Architectural elements such as molding, wainscoting, or decorative trim can enhance the sophistication and detail of living room walls. These elements add depth and interest, creating a more polished and refined look. Crown molding, chair rails, or even beadboard can transform plain walls into something more visually appealing and structured. In conclusion, living room wall decor plays a crucial role in defining the aesthetic and ambience of a home. Whether through the creation of a gallery wall, the selection of a bold statement piece, the use of floating shelves, the strategic placement of mirrors, the introduction of an accent wall, or the incorporation of personal DIY projects, each approach offers a unique way to enhance and personalize the space. By carefully considering these options, homeowners can create a living room that is not only stylish and inviting but also a true reflection of their individuality and taste.